okorobịa anya rukwu n'ala ụmụ okorobịa are you watching them? Okay. Ụmụ okorobịa are you watching? Good.
So, basically, this exhibit's a really unique exhibit in that it's all full scale. It's all made out of mud. There's no concrete mixed in there. And virtually all the materials were imported from Nigeria. Everything except for the red clay in the walls, that's for local Virginia red clay. But all the roofs, roofing material, the pots, baskets, doors, all handmade in the traditional sense, sent over here and we put it back together. And basically the reason we chose Nigeria is because that's where Virginia got the largest amount of slaves from. Roughly 1 out of every 3 slaves that came straight to Virginia from Africa were from that part of the world. And the vast, vast majority of those slaves that came from there were Igbos. And so that's why we focus on Igbos here and their impact on American culture, along with European cultures that came over since too.
But is that the earliest slaves that were imported? Didn't they come steadily after that, or from other regions, or
they came from all over,
mainly from that region?
Mm-hmm. Well, and your first slaves that came to Virginia were actually from Angola, and they were actually stolen from pirated ships and brought up to Jamestown in 1619. And so it wasn't just Igbos that came over here, but they came from all over, and it's hard to represent that large area. People don't realize how big Africa is. It's the second biggest continent, lots of different languages, cultures, and so rather than try to cover all of those things, we chose one specifically that came in the largest numbers. Thereby, probably had the biggest impact on Virginia culture, just by sheer numbers. But it's also kind of a lens for looking at all of West African culture in particular. So, thank you.
Thank you.